Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I will continue my work on the Mini Cooper 2017, and I'll do a rocker casket replacement, and it's simply easy, and then I'll show how I go about it. First of all, you just have to move this. First of all, disconnect your battery, the positive one. Yeah, sorry for putting the clothes here. I'm supposed to put that aside like this, then remove the clothes. It's more easy, because why I drop the clothes there is because like I don't want the wire to return back and touch like a sparkle or blow one of the fuse. So first, let's go back. First, move the air pipe from the battle clip, and one to the manifold, another one to the air pipe. So just pretty press it down here, press it in, then out gently because they're plastics. Same. After done with that, just push it right back to get more room. Next, you go for the wiring loom. Move all sensors. Sensor for the wiring array. These are another sensors for the manifold, intake manifold, the manifold sensor. There's another two manifold, one for one camshaft, one for the one for the intake camshaft, the other one for the exhaust camshaft. Then you move the sensor for the direct injection fuel pump to the engine, and you move all sensors for the injector sensors that inject fuel into the cylinders to cause combustion. You move three of them because this is stress piston. They're all the coils sensors. Then you just move it to the side. You can see I move it to the side, this side, more easy. Then move it on backwards so you get more room. So next you enter this fuel system to move the fuel rail. Just disconnect the pipe. Do this E6 bolt and disconnect this one here. To move this pipe, just shift it to the side. You just move to the side, then move the fuel rails, and then move this one as well to have access easy. And yeah, then when you move that, then you go straight to the manifold. Then don't forget your sensors here for the camshaft and the intake camshaft and the exhaust camshaft. The sensors, these are the sensors. You can see them right there at the side. It's just pretty much easy job. So yeah, I'll stick case should do. Yeah. So the first system is already out. Direct injection, the fuel rails all completely out. The coils. See, all coils all out, all directly out. So also you need to be careful when moving these. These are like seals. This white stuff, I think it prevents it from leaking. So when putting it back, just watch out for it, and I have to clean all these well inside. Also, I will observe like when, like in the direct injection fuel pump, there's like a carpet that goes straight in. So I'm not supposed to go there, but I'm just inspecting it. You can see like the carpet is almost worn. So this is like one of the common problems when it comes to direct injection fuel pump. So most of them are not the fuel pump. Most of them are the carpet that are really worn. That's why it makes some cool high pressure pump regulator. So I think high pressure pump regulator. So most of the problem are the carpets are being worn. So I'm not going to do that because that's not what it came for. So yeah, but I can let the customer know like the carpet is worn. But I'm gonna put it back to the settings. Right in one settings. I'm gonna put it properly in. Yeah, you can see it's in right with the settings. So what next is going to go straight to the fuel pump. We have regulator. Now I'll show you where it is. So this is it. The fuel pump, high pressure pump, direct injection. So this goes into the carpet, and these are the fuel rails. So I have to keep it separately. Then this is the seal to avoid oil leaks. Yeah. So it's all completely out. You see cover all out, and I've all cleaned it up. These are the spark plugs. These are the injector hole housing, the injector spray housings of battle. And I put the new seal on. I've cleaned it. These are the camshaft sensors. So next is just to put it on, and yeah. and watch out for the injectors sprays. So it should go according to how you move it. So you just put it in the pump back there. Everything is completely put back in, so you just like put everything in, all both tight, completely tight. And yeah, I think everything is just a couple, then see, start it up, putting oil in. Yeah, very much. Or injectors, all the also if you're moving the rocker cover, you need to move these injectors, fuel injectors. You need to move them. Yeah. So I've put them in, cleaned it up, cleaned everything. You can see no oil anymore in the cylinder head. Yeah, they're all clean, shiny. Yeah. So yeah. Don't forget your seals. They're all in there for a reason. Yeah, watch out for them. I think they prevent oil leaks. Yeah, I think we'll cut off hairline in. We have some clips in. Okay. So the fuel system I installed, the direct injection, the fuel wheel, the fuel injectors, and also the spark plugs. So next is just to put the wire loom, put everything properly, check properly. Yeah. So everything is completely tight, everything in. So air filter box, air filter lines, all completely in. The clips are all tight. Next is just to put oil, then start it up, then see for any leaks. Yeah. So now like I'm priming the fuel pump array because I removed the fuel array, so like you should like prime it for a couple of while, so the low pressure pump will pump fuel into the fuel rails and straight to the direct injector for starting it up. It's just like bleeding it. Anytime you move a fuel array and a fuel pump or anything concerning the fuel system from any car, whether petrol, diesel, you just have to prime it for a span of life by just switching on the ignition and leave for some time, then off it and switch it on, switch it on again. Yeah, just switch it on from here, and yeah, very soon, just a couple of times, then start it up and it starts. So let's go to the engine to check, inspect the engine for everything.